Hey everyone, my name is Brad and I am a tour guide here at Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood. And we're getting ready to celebrate Holidays Made Here, an exclusive event from December 18th to January 5th. If you look all around us, you can see a lot of hustle and bustle. They are dressing the set right now, just like they would have for the TV show The Gilmore Girls, because I am now standing in Stars Hollow, Connecticut. And you can also stand right where I'm standing if you take our studio tour and join us for Holidays Made Here. We've got exclusive merchandise that's only available during Holidays Made Here event. We've got 9 shops, we've got 5 restaurants that are opening up. Not only will you be able to see Stars Hollow, you'll explore 110 acres of our studio as we celebrate the holidays. Whether you love Gremlins, which also filmed here, Christmas Story Live, we're standing right where Ralphie did as well, or even shows like Friends. You can find all those things right here during Holidays Made Here. A lot of the stuff is a mixture of reproductions mixed with original artifacts from the show, like the Stars Hollow sign right here was used in A Year in the Life, so it was in our archives, but we've gone to great lengths to make sure the town looks just like it did on the TV show, going through reference photos, things like that. Stars Hollow and Gilmore Girls itself has a sense of family, a small town community. It's like walking in your own Christmas movie. So nowhere else in Los Angeles will you be able to do that. It's also like walking on the set of a television series. And Gilmore Girls has such a strong fan base, and some of their most famous episodes were during the holiday season. Behind me there's a Christmas tree. Every day at 5 o'clock, we're going to be lighting our Christmas tree with a few surprises as well. And not only are we celebrating Gilmore Girls, of course, all of our TV shows and movies throughout our 100-year history.
As soon as September rolls around, Gilmore Girls fans are just binging the show 24/7. It's their favorite time of year. And they, a lot of them come here. They book tours to come here and experience this, and Holidays Made Here, starting December 18th and going through January 5th, is going to accommodate the most diehard super fan of Gilmore Girls with all of these attractions. I mean, it's just kind of an amazing thing. We walked around here earlier and just saw everything getting set up, and it's like they're setting up to film a Gilmore movie or something. It's that kind of detail, and there's tons of merch available. It's just incredible what they're doing. So anybody that's going to come through here is going to experience just levels of joy that perhaps they won't be able to handle. So there'll be plenty of water and towels to fan them down with. I think it's going to be a warm day tomorrow, right? It's going to be like 80 degrees in winter. Yeah, those days in the Miss Patty's when we had to do town hall meetings, those were hot days. Those were 120-degree days in winter clothing. You imagine that you are naked and sitting on a giant block of ice.
All right, fair enough.
That seems to do the trick.
Now, they've recreated Stars Hollow here. A lot of it's original from the show, some of it recreations, but I know that I think it was pretty recently, shot a Walmart commercial.
Yes.
Here in Stars Hollow.
End of October.
As Luke, right?
Middle October, yeah, yes.
How did that
I actually had to audition for that role.
I don't believe that.
I thought I kind of tanked the audition, but they looked at my resume and said, oh, this guy played Luke Danes for those years, so maybe he'd be okay. So, yeah, I got the job.
How fun was it to get that call?
That was a pretty good day. Yeah.
Luke's been, how many years have you been playing Luke off and on? There was the original series.
20, it's going on 25 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So
and I'm only 35, so it's kind of
looking great.
Testament to my skills as an actor as a 10-year-old coming off like an adult. Thank you.
Let me know, Luke's Diner.
Yeah.
You're coming here a cold winter day.
Yes.
What is Luke's favorite hot beverage?
Right now it's hot chocolate because you can drink it all darn day. We've got coffee, we've got Winter Blend, we've got Luke's Diner Blend, and we've got Luke's Hot Chocolate. So I'll drink all 3 blends all day, doesn't matter.
Can you tell me a family tradition that you do every Christmas season?
Well, we head to the mountains. We head to the Rocky Mountains every winter and have for the last 24 years. And we ski.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Are you a good skier?
I am, actually. I am. I've been doing it since I was a small child, and I'm a decent athlete, and I just enjoy it so much. It's for me, it's like meditation. For me, it's my happy place, being out on the hill and with my friends, and it's just something that I've always done and continue to enjoy. And now my family, I ski with my family now, so it's very nice.
The general manager of Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood, and welcome to Stars Hollow, Connecticut, also known as Midwest Street on the Warner Brothers lot. This is known as River City, Iowa, Hazard County, Georgia, but this time of year, during the holidays, we've transformed it into Stars Hollow, Connecticut for Gilmore Girls fans. And oh my gosh, what an offering we have here this holiday season. You can go into the shops, get your own Luke's coffee, Dragonfly Inn and have high tea, eat like a Gilmore, shop like a Gilmore. It's all here for you to kind of fan out in and just enjoy your time on the street. It's part of our studio tour offering from December 18th to January 5th. We also, as part of Holidays Made Here, have a display and a tribute to Batman Returns from 1992, which is a holiday film and one of my favorites. It was what was in production when I started here 35 years ago. And we have some great props, costumes, vehicles on display, and a whole pop-up store offering for that. We have an exhibit including Will Ferrell's costume from Elf, the Rankin Bass figures that you'll see at Stage 48, and tour guides just doing a lot of storytelling around the holiday titles around here. For fans of Gremlins, we have the Mogwai Curio Shop here on Hennessy Street, and that's going to be decorated also. We're just putting the finishing touches on our Holidays Made Here event right now. So some of this that you're seeing, the work that's going on in the background, will all come together tonight, and by tomorrow on the 18th when we launch, we'll have everything perfect and in place for fans to enjoy. Come on, follow me. You can eat like a Gilmore to your heart's content at this event, and the food is delicious, and it feels like it's right out of the world. So right to our left over here in the corner, it's still coming together, we have Al's Pancake World. And for those of you that know the show, it's anything. It's not everything but pancakes, but you can really order whatever you like. So we have little Chinese food containers that you can eat out of. Order right in here and come out and eat on the street and enjoy your food.
Can we step inside?
Yeah, come on, let's go right in. So step into our little Chinese-themed restaurant. You'll order in over here and come right through this way, and then we have, well, the ladder's in the way right now, but you'll be able to go out into the mercantile store, and we have a little dining area in there. Actually, let's see if we can squeeze through. Jeff, just watch your step. We can just kind of like squeeze right through the working area. We're still seeing the behind the scenes of all this coming together, and we'll have a little dining room in here also, but just right next door, you can shop to your heart's content. We have products that you can only get here that are unique and distinctive to the studio, and the quality is just fantastic. So you can eat a little bit, shop a little bit. I mean, come on, it's just irresistible, right? All the fun stuff that you ever wanted to buy and eat and experience is all right here on Midwest Street, our Stars Hollow, Connecticut. A couple other places to take a look at when you visit. For those of you that want to have high tea, across the way over here we have the Dragonfly Inn, and you order through Suki's Kitchen, get your high tea, and then eat it, and then have it and enjoy it in the Dragonfly Inn, complete with its own gift shop. You know, it's you know, really something that I think everybody's just going to want to experience, and you know, we're anticipating a lot of high demand for that. So you know, it's Luke's Coffee, hot chocolate, a lot of in-world products that you can shop, buy, eat, and enjoy, and then also themed entertainment. So we're going to have trivia that's hosted at regular intervals, tours of Stars Hollow, Connecticut as well offered. So, you know, it'll be a lot of fun for everybody. That is Mrs. Deagle's house from the Gremlins. And if you remember, they wire her ramp chair along the staircase and rig it so she gets shot out the second floor and right across the lawn and into the sidewalk over here. So that's a great reference. Fans of Gremlins will know that the backstory to the Dragonfly, and it also doubles as Mrs. Deagle's house from Gremlins. And across the street, fans of Friends will know that house from the famous flashback episode from the 80s, but Gilmore Girls fans will know that as Kim's Antiques. And there's a little maze that you can go through that's just so much fun also. You'll hear, you know, Marco Polo going on in the background, but you can get lost in Mrs. Kim's Antiques. But the Dragonfly Inn, this is going to be a lot of fun. You know, you can, we actually have props that are right from the show. So as you're eating at the tables and sitting in those chairs, you know, fans will recognize just how authentic everything is because it's all from our proper department and the original props that were used to decorate this this set the first time around. You want to come on in and take a look? You can check in, and we'll have our friend of Michelle that will welcome you. Over to the left over here, or your right, stage right, is our gift shop. And, you know, again, the products are just all out of the world of Gilmore Girls. You know, we have our postcards here, these great Spirit jerseys that are just gorgeous. The robes, I mean, you can feel the quality of them. It's just such top-notch merchandise. It's exclusive to the studio tour, so you really can't get it any place else. All of this is stuff that you'll only find here, including these china sets, the tea kettles, you know, just great products. Hot chocolate on a stick, which is always fun. But yeah, just stuff that you can only find over here. Decorate your Christmas tree. I mean, every little finishing touch has been thought of. So as we go into, we have a little bit of training in here, but you can come on over with me. Again, we're still putting this all together, so we won't have this in place tomorrow, but you'll go and order in over here for your high tea experience, and then go into Suki's Kitchen. And you'll be able to choose what kind of high tea you'd like to have and all of the little accoutrements that you get with it. It'll be served on these tea trays. And then you'll take it into, and I was mentioning before, the actual props that came out of our prop department. You know, you're sitting right in the world of Gilmore Girls. The can't misses are the tour guides. They're so knowledgeable. You know, you can really get a chance to learn about Hollywood history, LA film culture. No trip to Los Angeles is really complete without taking a visit to Warner Brothers Studios and learning about what LA was built upon. Fans of the show, I think it's just going to be magical as we get to sunset, and there's a couple of good moments that just really fun moments where it snows on the back lot a little bit, which is always going to be fun. So I think in the afternoon it'll be fun. But it's all just going to be such a blast. I think it's, you know, coming together as fans, enjoying your time together. That's what I'm really looking forward to.
come on down or go to wbstudiotour.com, book your tickets. You're going to take an hour-long tour that explores the front and back lot of our studio. You'll see sets from some of the most famous TV shows of all time, including The Big Bang Theory, Friends, Abbott Elementary, and even films like Casablanca and James Dean films like Rebel Without a Cause. And at the end of your tour, you'll be able to walk around here at Stars Hollow and learn all about this small town.